Welcome to RenEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At RenEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. The global steel industry, a linchpin in the fabric of modern civilization, is undergoing a paradigm shift. With increasing awareness about climate change and the urgency to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, industries are being compelled to innovate and adapt. A key game changer in this regard is green hydrogen. A clean, sustainable energy source, green hydrogen has the potential to significantly reduce the carbon footprint of steel production, thus heralding a new era in industrial manufacturing. Green hydrogen, a brief overview. Green hydrogen, also referred to as renewable hydrogen, is produced by electrolysis of water, H2O, driven by renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, or hydropower. This process splits water into hydrogen and oxygen, offering an abundant and environmentally friendly energy source. While the concept of green hydrogen isn't new, its potential applications in sectors like steel manufacturing have only recently begun to capture industry-wide attention. Steel production and carbon emissions. Steel production is a carbon-intensive process. Conventionally, the industry relies heavily on coal, specifically coking coal, to reduce iron ore to iron metal in blast furnaces. This process is responsible for 7 to 9% of all direct emissions from fossil fuels globally, making the steel industry a significant contributor to global carbon emissions. Green hydrogen in steel production. The potential of green hydrogen lies in its capacity to replace coking coal in the steel production process. The reduction of iron ore, typically performed using coke, can also be achieved using hydrogen gas, with a significant difference: the byproduct is water, not carbon dioxide, CO2. Green hydrogen can be utilized in direct reduction iron, DRI, plants to produce direct reduced iron. In this process, hydrogen reacts with oxygen in the iron ore, leaving behind pure iron and producing water vapor. This iron can then be further processed in an electric arc furnace to produce steel, a method far more environmentally friendly than traditional techniques. Case study: the HYBRIT project. A prime example of the application of green hydrogen in steel production is the HYBRIT project in Sweden. This pioneering initiative, a collaboration between Saab, LKAB, and Vattenfall, aims to develop a fossil-free steelmaking process by replacing coking coal with green hydrogen. Though still in its early stages, the project illustrates the significant potential and ambition associated with green hydrogen in the steel industry. Challenges and future prospects. Despite its immense potential, the use of green hydrogen in steel production isn't without challenges. Green hydrogen production is still in its infancy and is currently more expensive compared to traditional fuels. It requires a substantial amount of electricity, which must be generated from renewable sources to maintain the process's green credentials. Moreover, transitioning to hydrogen-based steel production requires a substantial revamping of existing steel plants or construction of new ones, representing a significant capital investment. However, with the right policy support and investment in renewable infrastructure, these hurdles can be overcome. The future of green hydrogen in steel production looks promising. As the global community continues to strive towards a low-carbon economy, innovative solutions like green hydrogen will undoubtedly play a crucial role. By leveraging this sustainable energy source, the steel industry can significantly reduce its carbon footprint, leading the charge towards a more sustainable industrial future. The integration of green hydrogen into steel production is a potent symbol of the industry's commitment to sustainability and innovation. As we continue to grapple with the challenges of climate change, it is initiatives like these that will shape the future of industrial manufacturing, demonstrating that sustainability and economic growth can, indeed, go hand in hand. While challenges remain, the potential of green hydrogen in revolutionizing the steel industry is undeniable, marking a significant step towards a sustainable industrial future. The economic impact of green hydrogen in steel production. The economic impact of green hydrogen in steel production can't be overstated. As the technology becomes more mainstream and cost-effective, it will lead to new jobs and opportunities within the renewable energy and steel industries. Governments and companies that invest early in green hydrogen infrastructure are likely to reap significant economic benefits in the long term. Moreover, the transition to green hydrogen can help steel companies future-proof their operations. As carbon pricing becomes more prevalent and stringent environmental regulations are enacted, companies that continue to rely on carbon-intensive steel production methods may face financial penalties and reputational damage. By contrast, those that invest in green hydrogen technology can position themselves as industry leaders in sustainability, potentially gaining a competitive edge. The path forward: policy and investment. To realize the full potential of green hydrogen in steel production, concerted efforts are needed from both the public and private sectors. Governments can play a crucial role by implementing policies that encourage the use of renewable energy and the development of green hydrogen infrastructure. This can include financial incentives for companies that adopt green hydrogen technology, as well as regulations that discourage carbon-intensive industrial practices. Private sector investment is also vital. While the initial costs of transitioning to green hydrogen can be high, the long-term benefits, including reduced carbon emissions, increased energy security, and potential economic growth, make it a worthwhile investment. Conclusion. In conclusion, green hydrogen presents a promising opportunity to decarbonize the steel industry and contribute to a more sustainable future. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential benefits in terms of reduced carbon emissions, economic growth, and industry innovation are significant. As the world continues to grapple with the impacts of climate change, it's clear that green hydrogen will play a vital role in the path towards a sustainable industrial future. Thank you for choosing RenewEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at RenewEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.